Hi guys, so I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel and supported my little YouTube channel and Etsy shop. I cannot believe I almost have 500 subscribers. I'm almost at 485 when I checked last, about an hour ago, and I really cannot thank you enough. I really didn't think I would get 10 subscribers, and I remember hitting 100 subscribers and I was like so excited. And yeah, then when I hit 300, that like zoomed past really quick, and now I'm almost at 500, and I seriously cannot believe I didn't think I'd get 10, let alone 500. So I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everyone, and to celebrate my almost 500 subscribers, I was thinking I might put a few items into my Etsy store at like really reduced prices, as a thank you to my YouTube subscribers and my Etsy customers. And I feel most of my Etsy customers are from you guys on YouTube. So I just really want to say thank you. And what I've done, I've made two little traveler's notebook inserts, and these are the standard size. And I'm going to put these into my little Etsy shop at $15, and I think that's a really fair price. And I just want to say thank you, everyone. And if they sell okay at 15, I might put a few more throughout the week just as a thank you to everyone. So I'll do a quick flip through. I'll do this one first. Now these are painted canvas. I've had a few canvases sitting in the corner of my craft room for a while, and thought I'll chop them up and make journal covers. So I'll show you. I've also machine stitched these because I wanted to make them really affordable. I want to put a few things in my shop this week that are really affordable, just as a, I don't know, I suppose a thank you to everyone. So to keep costs down, I've machine stitched these, although to be honest, I don't think it was any quicker than hand sewing them. But anyway, so that's the cover, and unfortunately the colour doesn't come out very well on camera, but they're pearlescent paints and some metallics. Don't know if you can see. Anyway, and I've stitched around the canvas, and these are unembellished. So what I might do is just put a little pack of a few papers and lace or something with this that you can embellish the journal yourself, and then I'll pop it into my Etsy shop for $15. So that's Australian, and that's it. I'll do a flip through. So what I've done, I've cut the canvas so that it was big enough to fold over front and back to make a pocket. So let me just grab something so I can show you where the pockets are. So there's a pocket there. This is some blue photocopy paper. And I'll try and do this really quick because there's not a lot to go over. It's just really papers, unembellished. There's a pocket here. So it's got a mix of all different papers. Paper doily. Music papers. That's coffee dyed ledger paper. is actually I think it's Chinese children's book. So that's the machine stitching down the center. It had really pretty images, this book. I love the Chinese writing. So lots of writing space and lots of room for you to embellish your journal yourself. So there's another pocket there. And then a pocket at the back. So this one, oops, I'm getting low battery again. So I wish you could see the colour. This one, it's really, really nice, but it's not coming up on camera. This is like a pale pinky. Okay, so that's the first one. And this is the second one. So that's what it looks like. And this one is really textured. So I don't know if you can see. So this is texture paste underneath. And this one's same pearlescent paints and some metallics. This one feels really nice. Okay, so this is quite similar to the other one. So we've got a pocket there. Blue coffee dyed paper. I think this paper looks really nice as the front page, and like it really matches this canvas. This one's quite similar to the other one. Pocket there. This one has a pocket there, like a side tuck stitched across the top. Scrapbook paper. This is the scrapbook paper I was talking about in previous videos, where I found some scrapbook papers in an op shop, 4 books that are all the same, and they've got like these really out there patterns, so that's one of them. So the centre pages, because I've machine stitched them, the centre pages I've put a really thick paper. It's like almost a cardboard, but yeah, just really thick paper. It's a pretty little image. There's another pocket there. And there's another pocket there. And a pocket on the back. So actually you can see the texture there. It's really bumpy. It feels so nice. I love this one. This is my favourite one. I don't know if you can see the metallics in there. Anyway, so these 2 little guys I'm going to put in my Etsy shop. They're not embellished, but I will put some little goodies, a little pack of goodies with these so that you can embellish yourself. And yeah, I'm going to put them nice and cheap, $15, as a thank you to all your support. And if they sell, I mean, if people are after some little traveler's notebooks, I'll pop some more in this week, because I really would like to celebrate my little 500 subscribers. Well, my upcoming 500 subscribers. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. These will be my little Etsy shop not long after this video is posted. Thanks for watching. Bye.